Hey guys! Alright, for this video, our third video of Unit 4, we're going to be talking about customary weight and metric mass. So this is basically, for what you guys need to know, this is how heavy things are. Okay? The difference in weight and mass between a little kitten, like that little guy there, and a big old truck. Alright, so there are, well, again, we have to talk about both customary and metric. Remember, customary is the United States version with all the different units, and then metric is what the rest of the world uses. So in the customary measurement, we talk about weight. Weight is the measure of how light or heavy something is. Weight can be measured using, and these are the measurements, ounces, which is about the weight of a coin, pounds, which is equivalent to 16 ounces, so 16 coins would make about the weight of a stapler, and tons, which is about 2,000 pounds, 32,000 ounces, or it's about how much a small car weighs. So these are the United States units of weight. Okay, so I want you just to kind of think about it. Which would be the best measurement for the weight of a killer whale, or if you prefer, an orca? Pounds, ounces, pounds, or tons? Go ahead and answer that on your notes. It would be tons. Whales weigh much more than 2,000 pounds, so they weigh several tons. Okay, so what unit would be the best measurement for the weight of a dog, like my little moon dog there? Ounces, pounds, or tons? Whoops. You would measure moon dog there in pounds. In fact, Moon is about 12 pounds, right, Mooney? All right. How about the weight of a dime? You would measure a dime in ounces. Alright, so if 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, how many tons is 8,000 pounds? I want you to try to take a minute and figure that out in your notebook. I'm sorry, in your math notes. Pause the video. Okay, so 8,000 pounds would be equivalent to 4 tons. Now, if there are 16 ounces in 1 pound, how many ounces are there in 7 pounds? I'm not going to tell you the answer for this one, so go ahead and pause the video and try to figure this one out. Okay? Alright, so metric unit of mass. So those were all customary. Ounces, pounds, and tons are all customary units of weight. When we talk about the metric system, it gets a little bit confusing because we start talking about mass. And for your purposes, you really don't need to know the difference for these two. Just understand that mass is the measure of the quality of an object or how much space an object takes up. Mass can be measured in milligrams, which is like the mass of a fingernail, like about how heavy a fingernail would be. Grams, which would be like a big grape. Or kilograms, like a melon. A melon is about 1 kilogram. Okay? What unit would be the best measurement for the mass of a paperclip? It would be milligrams. Milligrams would be the best unit for the mass of a paperclip. The mass of a brick, the best unit for that would be kilograms. If 1 melon, like a watermelon, and actually not even like half a watermelon, probably weighs about 1 kilogram, or like one of those really small watermelons, then a brick is going to weigh a couple kilograms. Okay, and which unit would be the best measurement for the mass of a pack of Post-it notes? Grams would be the best metric unit for that. Okay, a full backpack with all your books and stuff in there, or all your chips or whatever, drinks, whatever you're bringing in your backpack, the best unit would be a kilogram. Alright, so I'm going to have you guys try to do this on your own. If I have 25 grams of sugar, this amount would be closest to 10 ounces, 10 tons, 1 ounce, or 1 pound. I want you to try to figure that out and try to work through that on your own. It's a little bit tricky because we're converting between metric unit and customary unit. Okay? Alright, and this is another one I'm going to have you do on your own. I'll check your work when you show me your notes to get your stickers. If there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, how many grams are there in 8 kilograms? Alright, do your best to answer that. I will check your work when you bring me your notes, and I'll give you a sticker, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.